Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered, what else could be out there in the vast universe? In our quest to understand our place in the universe, we've discovered that we're part of a cosmic neighborhood known as the solar system. The solar system, our very own corner of the universe, is a bustling community of celestial bodies, a term that refers to any natural object in space. These celestial bodies include the sun, the earth, other planets, and even the stars we see twinkling in the night sky. Just as we have neighborhoods and cities on Earth, the solar system is our local neighborhood in the vast expanse of the cosmos. But what makes up our solar system? At the center, we have the sun, a star that is the primary source of light and heat for all the other bodies in our system. Orbiting the sun, we have 8 planets, including our home, Earth. Each of these planets has its own unique traits and characteristics that make it special in its own way. Then we have the stars, those tiny points of light we see when we look up at the night sky. They are celestial bodies too, just like the sun, but they are so far away that they appear as tiny specks of light. Some of these stars group together to form patterns, which we call constellations. These constellations have been used for thousands of years as a means to navigate and tell stories. And then there are billions of smaller objects like asteroids and meteoroids, also part of our solar system. They may be small, but they play a significant role in shaping the universe as we know it. The universe is an incredibly vast and fascinating place, full of celestial bodies and phenomena that we are only just beginning to understand. And it all starts with our solar system, our home in the cosmos. The universe is full of mysteries, isn't it? Let's dive a bit deeper. Did you know that our sun is, in fact, a star? Quite surprising, isn't it? But it's true. The sun is the star that sits at the very center of our solar system. It's like the heart of the system, pumping life into every corner with its constant outpouring of light and heat. Without the sun, our Earth would be a dark, frozen world, devoid of life as we know it. The sun's energy sustains all living things on Earth, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest creatures. It powers the weather systems that bring us rain and wind, it fuels the growth of plants, and it provides the warmth and light we need to thrive. It's a star, but it's also our star, the one that makes our corner of the universe special. So every morning when you feel the warmth of the sun, remember, you're feeling the touch of a star. Ever wondered why Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life? Well, it's all about location, location, location. You see, Earth is comfortably nestled in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot like Mercury or Venus, and not too cold like the outer planets. This perfect positioning from the sun allows for water to exist in liquid form, which is an essential ingredient for life as we know it. Then there's Earth's atmosphere, a protective blanket of gases. It shields us from harmful solar radiation, retains heat to maintain a stable temperature, and provides us with air to breathe. Now, let's talk about Earth's dance in space. It spins on its axis, a process we call rotation, which gives us day and night. And as it pirouettes, it also takes a majestic year-long journey around the sun, known as revolution. This journey results in our changing seasons. Isn't it fascinating how our Earth, among all other planets, is perfectly suited for life? Did you know that the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite? That's right, as we spin our way around the sun, our moon dances around us in a beautiful celestial ballet. Now let's talk about the different phases of the moon. Have you ever noticed that the moon sometimes appears as just a thin crescent, and at other times it's a full, brilliant disk? These changes are due to the moon's phases. When the moon is positioned between the Earth and the sun, we see what's called a new moon. At this time, the moon's dark side is facing us, making it virtually invisible. As it orbits the Earth, more of the moon's surface becomes illuminated by the sun, and we see a waxing crescent. Eventually, the moon reaches a point where it is directly opposite the sun in our sky. This is when we see a full moon, a bright circular disk lighting up the night. The moon, however, does more than just light up our night sky. Its gravitational pull also influences the tides on Earth. You see, the moon's gravity pulls on everything on Earth, but it has the most noticeable effect on our oceans. When the moon's gravitational pull is at its strongest, it tugs on the Earth's water, causing high tides. When it's at its weakest, we experience low tides. This ebb and flow happen twice a day, every day, like clockwork. But remember, the moon's gravity doesn't just affect the oceans. It even influences the Earth's rotation and causes a slight wobble known as axial precession. This effect, over thousands of years, changes the Earth's orientation in space, influencing our climate and seasons. So, the next time you look up at the moon, remember it's not just a beautiful sight, but also a powerful force that affects our planet. It's a constant reminder of the dynamic and interconnected nature of our solar system, and how even the distant celestial bodies can have a profound impact right here on Earth. Have you heard of the terms asteroids and meteoroids? Ever wondered what they are? Let's delve into the mysteries of these space wanderers. Asteroids, often termed as minor planets or planetoids, are rocky remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. They are composed mainly of rock and metal and range in size from small boulders to objects that are hundreds of miles in diameter. Most of these asteroids are found in a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, known as the asteroid belt. On the other hand, meteoroids are significantly smaller, typically less than a meter in size. They are chunks of asteroids or comets that wander around our solar system. When these meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up, they create a streak of light in the sky, giving us the spectacle we know as a meteor shower. So the next time you hear about a meteor shower, you'll know exactly what's happening. Do you know about the star that has helped sailors navigate for centuries? In the vast expanse of the night sky, there's one star that holds a special place, the Pole Star. Unlike other stars, the Pole Star or Polaris doesn't move across the sky. This is because it's located almost directly above the Earth's North Pole. When you face it, you're facing due north, making it an incredible natural compass. For centuries, travelers, explorers, and sailors have relied on the Pole Star to guide them. They could determine their direction even on the darkest night, just by locating this single, steadfast star. It's amazing, isn't it? How a tiny speck of light in the sky can be such a powerful tool. The Pole Star reminds us that even in the vast, seemingly infinite universe, there are constants, points of reference that can guide us. So remember, even in the vastness of the universe, we have stars like the Pole Star guiding us. We've traveled quite a journey through our solar system today, haven't we? Let's take a moment to look back at the celestial wonders we've discovered on our voyage. We started with the solar system, our cosmic neighborhood. This is where our planet, along with 7 others, orbits the sun in a beautiful cosmic dance. We learned the sun, the heart of our solar system, is an enormous ball of superheated gas, providing light and life to all its planets. Next, we ventured to our own blue planet, Earth. Unique in its ability to support life, Earth is a mesmerizing blend of land, water, and atmosphere. We discovered how Earth's rotation gives us day and night, and its revolution around the sun brings us the changing seasons. From Earth, we journeyed to our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, is a beacon in our night sky, illuminating the darkness with its gentle glow. We explored the phases of the moon, from the dark new moon to the brilliantly lit full moon, and everything in between. Our journey took us further to the asteroids and meteoroids, the space wanderers. These rocky remnants from the early solar system orbit the sun, offering us a glimpse into the past. We learned how asteroids, the larger of the two, reside mainly in the asteroid belt, while meteoroids, smaller and more scattered, can sometimes find their way to Earth, lighting up our sky as meteors. Finally, we gazed upon the Pole Star, our guiding light. This star, also known as Polaris, has guided travelers for centuries, as its position close to the North Celestial Pole means it appears to remain in the same spot, while other stars circle around it. The next time you look up at the sky, remember, there's a whole universe of wonders waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.